Before I start, I want to greet everyone. Sanibonani futhi. Abangazi igama lami uXolani uKhumalo uNtulumbulazi uNzilikazi namasela bakhulumana baqedwa. Ngizomqeda bese ngibani. Ngithanda ukubingelela umphakathi wonke waseNkululeni. But there's something that I've always wanted to do. Bengicela ifamily yami isukume niyibone. Ngiyahlala phansi. Leadership of Action SA, provincially, nationally, the Senate is better so. That's my family. I have an army. No? I have a serious army of women. So namhlanje sizokhuluma into ebalekile engamela umphakathi waseNkululeni. Residents of Ekurhuleni, this morning I'm truly privileged to stand before you today. Not only I'm proud to be here with you, surrounded by patrons who love this country, but I'm also honored to take up this fight on behalf of Action SA.